Oh, hello guys. My name is Amza. My name is legendary Amza. Today I will talk about 6-7 trend. So without further ado, let's get started. 6-7 trend emerged in 2025 and it is famous in Gen Z and Gen Alpha. And the song and 6-7 emerged in 2024 from a song called Dot Dot 6-7. It was created by rapper Skrilla, and this word is actually great word, like linguistics of this 6-7 trend. 6-7 does not have any semantic meaning, but it has a social meaning, like vibing, having a good time with family or friends and things like that, or having a good family with friends and family and things like that. And it's actually really good, and it's actually a good thing. Like 6-7 is actually a brain word slang. It was created by the rapper Skrilla in 2024. But in 2024, the 6-7 trend was not that famous. But in 2025, it became famous, as we can see now. So bye guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you like the video, and if you like it, subscribe and hit that like button and follow me for more science videos. So bye guys, see me, let's go!